English dialogue, asking and giving suggestion, Part 2.
Dear God. That exam was brutal. I think I only answered 3 questions right. Now I am exhausted and starving. Brian, let's go grab something to eat.
What should we eat?
Anything. I can probably eat anything right now. What if we go the new diner that Ruby mentioned yesterday?
Isn't that like 5 blocks away from here? Are you sure that you are strong enough to walk that far? You said you're starving.
That's a good point. Do you have any other idea then?
There's a new food stall in Art Faculty's cafeteria. Heard that the hot dog is beyond this world. We need to try that, don't you think?
I don't like hot dogs though. Do they sell anything else?
Hamburger, French fries, spaghetti, chicken wing. Stuffs like that.
I love spaghetti. And chicken wing will be a great addition. Let's go.